Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Noble Visions, your humble channel. I want to welcome you to this channel, and in today's video what I'll be talking about is the website that maybe some of you already know it, that can enable you to earn as much as $200 per 1,000 views. So what this website does is it helps you shrink your URL link, and then you start earning money. It's as easy as that. Once it shrinks your URL, you can share it to your audience, be it through your social media platform or your blog or whatever. And then once 1,000 people and so view it, you earn a lot of money from it. And you can easily withdraw from this platform using PayPal, but direct bank transfer, all sorts of payment options available for you. All right. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by, and I want to urge you to subscribe if you have not subscribed and like my videos. So quickly we'll just jump straight into it, and let me show you how it works. Alright, so the website is this shrinkme.io. Maybe some of you already heard of it, but some of you may not have heard of it. Alright, but it's a platform that is for real. It can help you earn as much as $220 per 10,000 views. As you can see here, they've listed on their platform, on their website. Alright, so how to sign up for this channel, for this website, sorry, is not as difficult as you might think. So the first thing you need to do is to create your own account, and then you shorten your link using their software, and then you share among your audience, and you earn money from the platform. All right, so you don't need to have a big audience, maybe need to own a blog or build a website or do any of those things. You don't need all of those things to start earning from this website. If you have anything at all that you've done online, maybe even a YouTube video that is not even getting too much views, but you're talking about something very, you know, valuable, you could just copy the link to it, and then you share it maybe on Facebook, for instance, and then share it different places, Facebook groups, and Facebook pages where people that are very likely to click on it are based. All right, so in this demo, I'm going to be using my own. I'm going to show you how I do mine. All right, using my own account. All right, so I'll just head straight to my own dashboard because I've already created it. So if you have not, you can just simply go to the sign up, and then you put in your email and then your name, and that's it. You can log in, and then you have a dashboard like this. So once you come to your dashboard, you will see that they've already prepared everything for you. When you get views, you see it around this place. Your earnings will be reflected here, your referrals here. You can also earn by referring people as well. Alright, so I'll leave a link in the description of this video. If you want to follow my link, that's fine. But if you don't want, it's fine. Also, you can just come to Google and type on shrinkme.io, and then you get set up. And then I'm just going to use my own now, for instance. So if I'm going to shrink any of my URL, I'll just come to this tab, new shorten link, and then I'll look for what I want to shrink, the URL. In this video, I will be shrinking one of the link to my videos. Alright, I will. Okay, let's see. I want to shrink this one, and free Bitcoin in 8 minutes. I'll copy the link and then come to shrinkme.io. So once I'm here, I'll just paste the link here and then click on shorten. So I'll be given a link here, as you can see. So what I'll need to do is to copy the link and go to my Facebook page, which I have already created for this channel. So I'm on my Facebook page right now. On my Facebook page, so I'm just going to post on it publicly. I could just write something a catchy caption or something like, you can earn free Bitcoin, free BTC in 8 minutes. In 8 minutes, without investment. Alright, so follow the link below. That should be it. So I'll just paste it here and then that should be it. Then as soon as I'm done, I'll just click on post. So once it goes live, your community are saying, everybody's saying it. So once anybody click on the link and accesses it, you're going to earn from it. You can also post the link in the different groups that you're in the comment section, anywhere that fits the kind of value that you want to offer to them through the link. You can post it here and then you watch yourself make money on the platform. So you can always monitor it. All right, you monitor, come back to the platform to see how much you're earning or how many clicks you're getting, something like that. All right, so I'll definitely come back and be checking on it time and again like that. So basically, that's just what you need to do. All right, is to also earn for yourself with this platform, shrinkme.io. It's a very very lovely platform that you can earn for not really even doing anything really, and you can just go through what they have to offer. It's really 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 massive. It's mouth watering. So you can withdraw when you're earning and gets to $5. You can use PayPal. Okay, so it's something that everyone is already earning. See, registered members here are already close to 3 million people who are who are we are earning from the website in real time. See, total URLs shortened here has been 12 million plus. Total clicks 87 million. So there's no reason why you shouldn't also be tapping from this make money online platform. All right, so you don't need to own a blog. You don't need to know how to code, or you don't even need to have articles that you've written. Just about anything at all that you know that you have access to, that you've created. Copy the link and share it to a helpful community that it might benefit. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope this was informative, as also it was helpful for you. Thanks for the watching the video, and stay tuned.